Hi, this is Pete, our level overland. Alright, Memorial Day weekend 2021. It's going to be a little bit different camping weekend for us, for the videos at least. Memorial Day weekend, for the last few years we've been doing family camping at somebody's property near their house. So we're not going to be in the woods, we're not going to be on a campground, no trails, just camping with family. Spend a lot of time around the campfire, just socializing, enjoying each other's company. So I'll see what kind of video I can get and put a video out, but I'm not going to try to, a lot of people are uncomfortable with it, so I'm not going to try to video and include people that don't want to be. So I'm going to try to get some video. We'll see how it plays out, but stick around, see what we can get into. Alright, so like I said, we went camping with friends and family, and I didn't plan on filming much, if any, because it was a family gathering, family and friends, and of course not everybody feels comfortable on camera, so didn't get any footage, but we had a great time. I think Leo wanted to go, but we just enjoyed each other's company, hung out around campfire, played cornhole, ate a lot. First night got pretty cold during the night, and my daughter and a friend stayed in a tent next to us, in a ground tent, and we were in a rooftop, and we had a little buddy heater, and I remember, whoa, Leo clawing me in the back. But I remember waking up at like 4 o'clock in the morning and turning the little buddy on for a few minutes, warm the tent back up, and then shut it up back off, went to sleep. But the girls they had an electric heater, but something happened with that, and it wasn't working. So they got pretty cold during the night. But me and Lisa, we got cold, but we were able to warm up. And the second night, Saturday night, was a lot better. It only, instead of getting down into the mid-30s, I think, Friday night, I think it only got down to the low 50s Saturday night, so it was much better night. But we really like the new rooftop tent. Having all the extra room is great. We're already planning our next trip, and you have to wait and see when and where that is, but little weekend getaway coming up for too long, and I think that one will probably just probably be me and Lisa, and get a little camping, a little hiking, and some videoing. So right now I'm out in my shop, and I've been putting it off, but Frank's been in here, and now Leo, of course, and there's a lot of hair in here, so I'm gonna pull the rest of the gear out, get the cat out. Maybe I can keep him out of there. I'm gonna get the shop vac and vacuum this thing out. Give you a little bit of a close look at the seat, that I already vacuumed versus what I haven't got to, just to give you an idea of what I'm up against here. That dog's shedding everywhere in there, man. So, yeah, like I said, it's going to take me just a little bit. I got to finish the back, then set them up, and that's probably going to be even worse because I had the seats up with him running around the back seat for a while. I don't know. But, so, again, I got a little work ahead of me, so I'll get back at it. Yeah, here's a look at the back seat. Front of it. I don't know if you can see how hairy that is. It's bad. But I'll tell you one thing. These, I don't have much experience with rough country or any of their gear or equipment except these seat covers. Somebody told me about these. Actually, I think I ordered them. Yeah, I ordered them through the Jeep Armory. He was telling me about them, Brian. These rough country seat covers, they went on super easy, and it's not an endorsement. I never get paid for these, but I'll tell you what I got that I like. And these seat covers from Rough Country, you can see how nice and fit and tight the fit is on them. They're kind of like a neoprene type material. I don't know exactly what they're made of. They're nice and soft. They went on easy. They fit snug. They stay. They've been on here a while, and they're still on there pretty snug. And they vacuum, the dog hair vacuums up out of them way easier than it does the carpet. So they clean up good. They're durable. They quick dry. They're for Jeep, so obviously they're going to be quick dry material. But like I said, I don't know much about rough country equipment, lifts and all that. I have never used them. I hear people bash them all the time, so you kind of get a bad idea of them just because you hear people talk. But people talk bad about Smittybilt too, and I've had really good luck with the equipment I've got from them. But so when you hear people badmouth product, maybe listen to them, don't listen to them. I don't care. It's up to you. But these rough country seat covers are great. That's one thing. The only experience I have with actual rough country gear is it's a 60-40 split. The back seats fit just as good as the front. And these are great seat covers, I'll tell you that. I really like them. Like I say, they vacuum up a lot easier than the carpet too, so easy cleanup is nice. But like I say, they look good, they're sharp, and they fit well. Easy to put on, easy to maintain. Definitely recommend those. So, alright, I'm going to get back to vacuuming. Alright, so I got the Jeep vacuumed out, got things put back together a little bit. Gonna wait on working on the lights. Vacuuming, getting cleaned up took a little longer than I thought. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe, share with your friends, click the bell so you get notified. Comment. I still reply to every comment. They're fun to see. So give us a like, give us a comment, tell us what you like, don't like, any ideas. It was fun meeting up with QQuest. Johnny and Colleen are super nice people. Looking forward to getting a camping trip set up with them. Got the sticker mounted along with some others you may recognize if you watch the Overland channels. So yeah, they were really nice to meet. We're looking forward, like I said, to getting together with them, camp sometime, and but we've got a little trip of our own planned coming up. So I think that's going to be a fun one. It's hiking in a place we've never hiked, and I think it's going to be some pretty good scenery. So check back. Appreciate you watching. Bye.